মৰমৰ ছাত্ৰ ছাত্ৰীসকল, আজি তোমালোকলৈ এখনি ইংৰাজী ৰচনা লৈ আহিছোঁ। ৰচনাখনি হ'ল দ্য ফ্লাড ইন আছাম। আহাচোন আমি ৰচনাখনি এতিয়া পঢ়োঁ। ইন্ট্ৰডাকশ্যন। Assam is a land full of many lovely hills, plains and rivers. The mighty Brahmaputra originates in Tibet, flows through the middle of Assam from east to west and follows the Bay of Bengal. Many small rivers coming down from either side of hills join the mighty Brahmaputra at different places. Why flood occurs? Assam has a wet summer, so the rivers become full of water during the rainy season. The flow of water becomes so great that the rivers cannot hold and carry it. As a result, the rivers become overflowed. The small rivers coming down from both the sides join the Brahmaputra with strong streams of water. It makes the Brahmaputra a threat to the people of Assam. Its effect: the water overflowed from each of the rivers at the same time fills agricultural lands, towns, villages and the roads even. We see water everywhere. We call it a flood. The people of Assam face the troubles created by flood every year. The flood not only destroys the crops but it also destroys the lives and properties of Assam. Every year flood occurs in Assam. The sorrows and sufferings caused by flood in Assam are unbound. The problem of flood is a great misfortune to the people of Assam because Assam is mostly an agricultural country. On the other hand, the cultivators of Assam, even in these modern days, are bound to depend on the monsoon for the water necessary for cultivation. Again, during the summer, immediately after a few showers of heavy rain, there occurs flood and it damages all the agricultural products and even the lives of men and animals. This problem makes Assam poorer year by year. How the flood control? To save Assam from this disaster, the banks of the rivers that create flood must be controlled by constructing strong embankments. Cultivators must be provided with sufficient water in their paddy fields by means of irrigation system. Industrial development must be done in the state to provide its people with living by engaging them in industries. Conclusion. Unfortunately, the Govt of India or the Govt of Assam could not solve this burning problem of flood in Assam. The Govt can easily take steps to control the flood of Assam if it desires so, because one who a mighty river of China, which was once known as the China Sorrow for its causing damage of life and property, was at last controlled by the people of China. In the same way, the government of India may help the people of Assam by controlling the flood created by the mighty river Brahmaputra. The people of Assam should stress the government of India to take necessary and meaningful steps for solving this flood problem of Assam. Assam has a bounty of natural resources from which India government is largely benefited them. Then why the government cannot solve this burning problem of flood by taking some effective steps? Why hope? Why we hope that the government of India would take immediate steps to remove the economic backwardness of this province. Thank you.